Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video of some Victorinox I have recently gotten. I will be making individual videos on each one of these, but yeah, I just wanted to get I guess some kind of little multi-tools that were very light that I could just kind of have stored in jackets and stuff constantly. That even worst case scenario, if I forgot the stuff I usually carry, I'd have something on me. And I was mainly looking for, at first, was the Rambler and then the Mini Champ. Now these guys actually, this is the Executive, and it came with my purchase of the Rambler. And I got these all from the same seller on eBay. It was a Canadian seller. And then he threw in this Classic just for free, so that was nice. But the Executive, I actually, since I got it, I've been carrying for work. I'll just throw it in my pocket, and yeah, it doesn't have a huge blade on it, but it's bigger than these guys right here. But just a pen blade, and it's got that kind of orange peeler or whatever the heck, little serrations, and yeah, I've got a smaller blade, pen blade, you know, your tweezers and pen and toothpick. And this is actually you know, the nail file with the cleaner. This is actually one of the better nail files I've seen for Victorinox. I find it strange that they don't kind of use both sides for things, but I got scissors. So yeah, it's a pretty simple one, and it's not much bigger actually than these ones, but it's been good for work, just for what I need. I haven't thrown this in anything yet, the Classic, but yeah, I will. The Rambler I've had in my most carried winter jacket, and I don't know, if you just want a simple one, I kind of like the Rambler because it's got everything the Classic has, but it's also got this bottle opener, which, I mean, yeah, you always need, and a little magnetic screwdriver and this wire bender or whatever the heck that's used for. And you got the Mini Champ, which is getting out of the like light range. Like, it's, you know, it's around the weight of this guy, but maybe even a touch heavier. It's around the weight of Leatherman Squirt PS4. So if anyone's for reference, it's about the same as that. But anyways, I will make a video on each one of these, so I don't want to make this too long of a video. But yeah, these are ones I just recently got. So I'll leave it at that, and you guys have a good one.